Good morning, Sanford High School. These are your weekly announcements. Attention sophomores, your permission slip forms for sophomore awareness are due by this Friday. Hand them into the main office or give them to Mrs. Walker.
Youth Leadership Institute Training and Coalitions meetings will be Thursday in room 3 at 7:45 to 9 a.m. We are also looking for students to help with the Spirit of Learning on May 4th. Go to P24 for more information.
The baseball team is selling raffle tickets in room 10, or you could buy them from anyone on the baseball team. You could win 4 Red Sox tickets or a suite at a Sea Dogs game for 22 people. That includes free drinks and food.
Attention both boys and girls, here's a dress code announcement. As the weather gets warmer, your shorts tend to get shorter. So don't forget there's guidelines to follow with how short your dresses, shorts, and skirts can be. They must extend to the tips of your fingers with arms at your side. Spaghetti straps, strapless tops, and tops with one shoulder are not acceptable.
Let's not mix spaghetti and clothes together here at school. A general rule of thumb for shorts is that the inseam should be at least 4 inches long. Mini shorts are not acceptable. Always bring backup if you're not sure if your clothing meets the school's dress code.
Again, I can't stress this enough. Guys, please do us all a favor and don't wear short shorts. Just don't.
Now, here's Mason and Jason.
Thanks, Katie and Kyle. Mason and I have talked a lot about some great clubs that you could be a part of, like the new Spanish club and the drama club's awesome performance over the weekend.
But this week, we need to talk to you about a club that celebrates a very special day next week that we all need to remember.
Yeah, we're talking about the Environmental Club, and that special day is Earth Day.
Next Tuesday is Earth Day, and here's Sarah and Nat with a special Environmental Club's Earth Day announcement.
Remember, Sanford, reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Hi everyone, Sarah and Matt here to talk to you about Earth Day. What is Earth Day, you ask?
Earth Day started in 1970 by Senator Nelson from Wisconsin. He wanted America to speak out about the environmental crisis they faced.
Earth Day is observed on April 22nd every year. Today we want to highlight the problem of throwaway plastic. What is the problem?
Nearly every product we buy is packaged in petroleum plastic that we throw away. By doing that, we consume billions of bags and bottles per year in the U.S. alone.
Plastic pollution has damaged our oceans by impacting the marine ecosystems and food webs. The plastic gets swept into the ocean currents, thereby forming clusters of plastic called gyres.
If you don't believe it's a problem, then just take a look for yourself.
There are currently 5 gyres due to the accumulation, one in every major ocean basin. Many marine animals have been found to have plastics in or around their bodies. This could affect humans when they eat seafood.
Plastics are made to last forever, but designed to throw away. So we ask all of you to do your part to try and reduce the amount of plastics that you throw away.
Instead of throwing away your plastics, please recycle.
Give a hoot, don't pollute.
With Earth Day next week, I thought it only appropriate to talk about what we can and can't recycle here at Sanford High School, sort of like the do's and don'ts of recycling. You'll find either a blue or a red recycle bin in every classroom and hopefully a separate box for bottles. This is what you can recycle in the big bins: cardboard, milk and juice cartons, newspapers and magazines, old notebooks and binders, and any paper in general, really. Plastic too, like water bottles and all hard plastics in general. We also recycle metal here at the high school, like tin cans, aluminum foil, and pots and pans. Returnable water bottles and juice bottles in a box so it makes it easier when we go around and collect each week. Any glass is good to recycle too, but we can't recycle packaging plastic, like chips and other soft plastic packaging. You shouldn't be eating these chips and junk food anyway. Please be kind and try to remember to empty all containers and bottles when recycling. Do your part, Sanford. Recycling is really important. Remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Ready? Come join the wildlife biology class with the annual bottle drive this Saturday. Get up to 7 hours of community service this Saturday, April 19th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the Memorial Gym parking lot.
Anyone who helps will have the name entered into a raffle one time for every hour volunteered. Anyone who brings a friend will have their name entered an additional time. Profits go to the wildlife biology rafting trip. See Mr. Tremblay in room 205 or Mr. Hoover in room 204 with any questions.